Let me show you. Let's not finish us, guys. Masag tangkal sa bahay. I'm just kidding. Dapat si Papa na slip. And also, was this one? The sleeping baby. She's sleeping. She's so tired. And look at the view. Look at the view, guys. It is so nice. You see that? Wow. Look at that, guys. I love that. And first away. Anyway, let's remove my little makeup. Alam niyo bakit siya parang nalang makeup kasi when you siya like simple makeup for me. Simple lang guys. Look at that guys. Look at that. Look at that. Look at that. Look at that. I am not pretty, but look at that. Gelap na. Look, I'm not pretty now. Oh, you're not pretty naman. That's all. Look. Yan lang. Chan. Dirty. Ew. No, that's not dirty. That's for ano gani para piluka. Basta pailan na siya. I'm not basta ano siya. Hindi ko kaya buka ng makeup as long as yung makeup. Kaya ko siya tinatawag na simple makeup kasi maliit lang yung nilagay kong foundation. Ganun lang. Foundation and lip tint and mascara. Yun lang yung nilagay ko. Ganda naman sa tignan. For me lang. Ganda. I like simple makeup. That's all. Thank you. Let's clean our colors. Yeah. Ketu sayaw kaga. What is this dirt? Yeah. Ouch. Let me show you not my kwarto. This is my kwarto. This is my bed. Not only my kwarto, but also my ate. This is my bed. So dirt. This is double bed for. Look at her. My ate's awards and my collections of drawing. Actually, guys, I'm not professional at drawing, but this is for only practices. This is my drawing, and all I mean, all of this is my drawing, but this is my project for Joe 11, and this is my actually my date siya, guys. Look, Junalyn 8 2023. Matagal na yan. That's one too. This is my drawing when I was 20. When I was grade 12, I think. And this one, 24 ko na to din kasi project ko din namin. But, hindi naman to talaga to siya sa akin, guys. Pinag-drawing lang ng kaklase ko. Binigyan niya ng 100%. 100 lang yan. This one, example. And I like this house. Yun, I like that. And that one. And also this one. Hindi niya ba kita? Madilim. Try. So, that's all. Thank you for watching.